Hi guys, if you are Chloe Ting fam, I will teach you how to make a cycling and sports bra. I will link my second channel in the description box and I will post there my result after 2 weeks. Hi guys, so for today's transformation, I will make a sports bra and cycling. So first, grab a cycling and use it as your pattern. Then fold it and trace it with soap or pen. By the way, this dress is stretchable and it's better to make a sports bra and cycling if the fabric is stretchable. If you have an old stretchable clothes, you can do this DIY instead of buying one. Use a scissor to cut the pattern, but if you have a rotary cutter, it is better because it is easier and faster. Lay your front piece in fabric and cut another one for the back piece. Then sew the front piece and back piece in this side. I think it's too long for me, so I have to cut it a little shorter. Now at the bottom, fold it 2 times and hem it. Also, use a zigzag stitch to hem in the sides, but if you have a serger, it is better. Now I will add a rectangle cotton and I don't know what it's called, so if you know, please leave a comment. I just cut a rectangle in the paper and then add the curve on it, and then voila, we have a rectangle cotton. By the way, I just used a leftover fabric for this one. Then pin it together so it will not move when you sew it. Now moving on to the sports bra, I just grab a old sports bra and then use it as my pattern again, and then fold it and trace it with a soap or pen. Then we will cut another front piece, but this time it will be half of it. So the chest part will be a little more thicker. Sew also the half of the front piece on the same side. I use the bottom of the dress for this strap. I forgot to say that sew also in the upper part and then attach this strap. Same on the other one and then sew it. And now I use my boyfriend's rotten bib. He's not using it though. So I'm going to get this garter for the bottom of the sports bra. Now add the garter and then pin it together and sew it with a straight stitch. After that, flip it inside out and we will sew it again with a top stitch. Then I will hem it right here with a straight stitch all the way through the end of this. And then sew it in the back with a straight stitch. Now for the strap, you can sew it like this way and you can also sew it in a cross. But I prefer this way. Then this is the finished product and let's try it out.
No rest time here, guys. We're going straight into reverse crunch. With your hips off the ground using your core muscles. Make sure you're engaging core here.